Hello, I'm BJ from NINESTEPS Industries and welcome. I'm going to be introducing the NINESTEPS Premium Hobby Knife. We have the Premium Hobby Knife. In the packet, as you can see, it includes the knife right here. It also comes with the safety cap, a set of blades, so 5 blades included, which gives you a total of 6 blades, including the one that's attached to the knife. We have the features of the hex end, which reduces the chances of roll, the hollowed aluminium handle for lightweight. We have the milled aluminium at the tip, and then also the brass machine collet, which has been chrome plated, which grips onto the blade. And having more weight here actually gives much more control when operating the blade. So either holding it at this point, when you need to do particular controls of different cutting. There is the spare packet of blades. So spare packet of blades actually includes 10 blades. So there we go. This is the Premium Hobby Knife from NINESTEPS with some great features designed into this particular tool. Okay, so how about we have a closer look at some examples of using the blade and how it handles those situations. The NINESTEPS Premium Hobby Knife, suitable for professionals and also beginners. So it's one of those particular tools which are very useful for any particular hobby, craft, anything at all. Very handy indeed. So this particular tool is available from any good hobby store or from the NINESTEPS website.